Hey, what's up everyone? Chris here. Today we're going to talk about the R sound. I know that the letter R and basically everything related to it, including these R-controlled vowels, is pretty difficult. But if you follow my steps carefully, you'll be able to do it. We're going to start with a detailed guide on how to make the sound, followed by some practice sentences. Before we get there, if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that right now. My username is Language with Chris. Alright, so let's get started. So let's start with the E sound, with the tongue high in the back of our mouth. E, E, E. You'll notice that there is not a lot of space between the back of our tongue and the roof of our mouth. E, E. Now, I want you to maintain that shape that you have, the E shape, and we are going to focus on our jaw. Here, let me zoom out just a little bit. There. All right, so we're going to focus on what's happening with our jaw. We're going to keep our tongue in that same shape, but here we're going to lower our jaw just a little bit until we get this eh sound. Yeah. Yeah, Here, for this sound, it is necessary for us to lower our jaw, or else we're going to get a different sound. So again, it's yeah, Now, the back of our tongue is still going to be high, but it's not going to be as close to the roof of our mouth because we have lowered our jaw. The resulting sound is going to be the as in elephant. Elephant. So from this sound, we are going to start going into the the final R sound. If you haven't already seen my videos about that R sound, then go check them out. There's one about the retroflex R, and I think the other one is called the final R sound. So when I do this sound, I like to kind of start with a very smiley face, revealing the bottoms of my top row of teeth. I can touch all these teeth as I'm smiling, as I'm saying the word air. You'll notice that you're able to see my two front teeth when we start doing this sound. So we go from being able to see almost all of my top row of teeth, to just being able to see those two front teeth, air. My jaw and my bottom lip are doing most of the work here. Remember to drop your jaw. Your jaw should be falling. Force it. Make sure that you are doing that. And here, your jaw is going to come back up again for that sound. Air. Let's do a few practice words. Bear. Care. Share. Fair. Hair. Square. There. Where. Alright, let's do these practice sentences. They're scared of the werewolf. They're scared of the werewolf. I dare you to fight the bear with your bare hands. I dare you to fight the bear with your bare hands. I'll meet you there at the dairy fair. I'll meet you there at the dairy fair. Did the hair in my chair come from there? Did the hair in my chair come from there? I don't care if you swear or say a prayer. I don't care if you swear or say a prayer. The au pair prepared the cookware. The au pair prepared the cookware. Alright, nice job. I know that was a lot of work, but the only way that you're going to master this sound is if you practice it on a regular basis. You may have been able to do the same sounds that I was doing in the video, but I promise you, if you practice it, it's a lot more likely that you'll be able to do this stuff in the real world when you're not thinking about it so hard. So practice, practice, practice. Was this video helpful to you? If it was, be sure to give it a like and to share it with a few of your friends. If you can think of any other practice sentences you think I should have included, please leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!